Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy and lovely day out there everybody watching. Today I want to talk about my mini collection, deluxe samples, my tiny makeup items, and we are going to start a rolling project pan. I have full face right here. We need to start working through this or it's going to go bad. So stay tuned. I literally don't know why I say stay tuned. I feel awkward when after I say that. There's like always a moment like, why would you say that? Hi, my name is Kelly. If you're new here, I'm an odd duck and I like being this odd duck. Anyways, I don't want to waste this makeup. It's really pretty. It was one of the looks in the ColourPop video. So I will link that, Kelly. Anyways, I have this box right here of little tiny things and this box right here of little tiny things. One sits out, one does not. But then I also put full face of makeup in here. I need to start working through this. I'm a makeup lover, so I'm always getting like samples, and I did the Ipsy bag for way too long. Sure, we need to work through this before it gets bad. A lot of it I haven't even touched because, again, I'm a makeup hoarder. I did recently go through it, so I don't think any of it's bad. I've smelled all the lip products and all that stuff. I am going to go through just a little bit because I'm trying to keep my videos, or this video anyways, a little bit shorter than normal, but just so you guys kind of can see. I have full face in here, so maybe we go through that first. And I'm not really have any rules to this. When I get bored with something in here, I am gonna just swap it out for something else mini. But I am gonna keep a mini bag like ready to go for quick days is basically what I'm gonna keep in here. Yeah, when I get bored or if I pan something, I'm gonna swap it out. But anyways, I only have, anyways, this is the first spray that I'm going to use up. That should be used up quickly. In no particular order, I'm pulling stuff out. I do have the Tarte Temptress Man Eater highlighter in here. I dropped it and I repressed it because I like this one. It's really, really pretty. Will I get through it? Probably not. But I have it in here. Anyways, I do have What's the Tea by The Balm. There's a little dent in here. This is just a single eyeshadow, but this is like an all over one and done for me. So I did put a single shadow in here. I do want to mention, I do have my singles down here. I'm not going to go through them, but if I get bored, I'm going to switch this out. But I probably won't for like quick and easy days. I usually want like just a neutral flat matte color. I do have two primers in here because they're both significantly used, I guess. I mean, this one doesn't look like it's used, but I mean, these are the two. We're gonna get through these. So I do have two primers in there. One's pore filling, one's, I don't even know. I guess this one's blurring too. I don't really like this. I'm just trying to work through it. I like it enough to keep using it, but I'm not gonna buy it. I do have a concealer in here that I am working through. This is the It Bye Bye Under Eye in medium, the original formula. These come in all the samples. Anyways, that'll take me forever to get through. I've never been through a full one, just so you know. I do have MAC False Lashes Extreme Black that I did pull out. I just opened this, so it's not old. In case you were wondering. Ooh, I do have this one. This is the Becca Opal right here. I also broke this one. I just need to throw it out. But I don't, because I am me. I do have the Balm Springs, the Longwear blush. I've hit pan in this. This was really exciting when I did this the other day. So this is probably going to stay in my everyday bag until I do pan it. But look for this in an empty coming up. Oop, I have one more thing in my hand. I do have lip gloss from Sephora, the Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Perfect Nude number 4. Scraping sides already, so that one's pretty loved. I also have the Dose of Colors Truffle in their liquid lips. I have full size of this, so I'm trying to work my way through that as well. And I have the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. Oh, I really like this bronzer. This is kind of new to me, so currently that's what's in my mini bag, and I will swap it out when I get bored or if I pan it, because that blush, oh, I was really excited when I panned that blush, or well, hit pan on the blush. So This always sits out. I don't have a good organizing thing since moving. Well, I guess the clips and these makeup items are not. These two were all lips. So I walk by this quite often, and every time I pass it, I'm like, I don't use these. I don't use these. I'm not using these. So I'm hoping with committing to rolling mini pan project that I will start grabbing some of these, if not using what's in the bag. But over here in this other little container, I do have some other things I'd like to pull in a lot. I have a Laura Mercier powder in here. I have a like world's smallest MAC spray. It's so cute. Well, I have a couple of these Ulta liquid blushes, highlighters, sorry. I have some eyeliners. Okay, the eyeliners, I'm so not into like eyeliners at all. I might actually just trash all of my liners. I have a couple primers back here. 1, 2, 3. So you probably most likely, if I get bored with one of these, I'm gonna grab this right away because it's just outside my bathroom. I have a couple little face powders. This was in a 21 or 12 days Christmas thing, and then I have this blush too. So I have a couple different options just to grab real quick. Oh, and I have this too, this little shadow duo. I really, really like these. These are Everyday Colors too by Pixie. So this is almost a full face right in here for options to switch out. Anyways, it sits on top of my little stand that is, I broke it, and everything's on the floor right now. Yay me. Anyways, so this basket right here, I do have a couple new things back here. Again, I haven't used most of this stuff. I just got this. Oh, I really like this. So for cream products, this is going to be my go-to. I do have a couple things in the boxes. Like this, I actually think I'm going to put this in my giveaway box. I have a box of goods that I've been kind of stacking up. A couple primers in here that I have to get through. A lip gloss that won't fit over here. Yeah, and a bunch of eyeliners. I'm so out of the eyeliners. A couple single shadows in here as well. I think this one is also brown. Yeah. This is it's got the coffee one on it. Yep. This is a beautiful chocolate coffee brown. I really, really like this shadow. So I have that in here. A couple primers. I said primers, right? A little highlighter. I don't know why I totally just... I have another Tarte blush in here. Go back. Blush, same, it came in that other thing with the Ulta bronzer. Another one of these by Becca. I have a Nomad, is this a blush or the bronzer? This is the bronzer. I have one of their bronzers, but I also have, where did it go? I know I've seen it in here. I have one of their little highlights that's really great for eyeshadow as well. The Ciate London little powder in here. Another Laura Geller baked, you can't see that. Oh, you know what? They almost look the same. That's right here. Looks the same as this Pixie one. Oh my god. It does. And now I have to swatch them because I didn't know that these looked so similar to each other. Okay, so this is the Laura Geller right here. And I don't know why I didn't leave space between. That was silly. So that is that. See what I mean? It's just, it's pretty, it's everyday, and just like use your fingers really quick and go. So, and then this is the Pixie, which ironically feels the exact same. Okay, so they're a little bit different. This one, the Pixie is actually a little bit more punchy. The bronzy shade is a little bit warmer, but you know what? It's really close. So apparently I will be using that quite a bit, but really quick video. I mean, where are we saying, like 12 minutes? I mean, it is what it is. I wanted to share with you guys some minis that I have, and I want to commit to this. So when you see I'm gonna do a mini, get ready with me. That bag is gonna get pulled out. But anyways, let me know. Do you guys save all of your minis? Do you go through them fast, or do you hoard them? Like some people you may know. Good morning, hi, how are you? I'm a makeup hoarder. It's okay. But anyways, let me know down in the comments. Do you share? Do you keep? Do you use? Do you just throw them out when you get, you know, the free goodie bags with your order? Ulta's really good. You know, spend $60 and get 128 pieces. Ugh, and then I buy stuff. Anyways, let me know down in the comments, what do you do with your small little deluxe size samples? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and go watch Psylocke because it was really pretty. Anyways, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.